What if I told you that a simple image like this could start talking? Or that you could turn any photo into a lifelike, storytelling video, with zero cost? Today, I'm about to reveal a step-by-step method using completely free tools to do just that. Stick with me till the end, because what you're about to see might just change how you create content forever. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, things are about to get real. Here are the free tools we'll be using: ChatGPT, to create prompts and generate images; Kling AI, to turn the image into a lifelike video; TTSMaker, for realistic voiceover; Clipchamp, to edit everything together. Step 1, generate the image with ChatGPT. We'll start by generating a face image using a prompt in ChatGPT or uploading a photo you already have. You want a clear, front-facing image with good lighting. Let's dive in, and if you're a beginner unsure of what prompts to write, don't worry. This method is designed just for you, making it easy to get started the right way. Stay tuned and follow along. Step 2, animate it with Kling AI. Next, head to Kling AI. Upload your image and let it animate the face. You can choose head movement, blinking, and even talking gestures. Stay tuned and follow along. Step 3, Add voice with TTSMaker. Now let's make it speak. Use TTSMaker to convert text into a natural-sounding voice. Paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio file. Step 4. Edit everything in Clipchamp. Finally, combine your animation and audio in Microsoft Clipchamp. You can trim, sync, and export your final video, ready to post anywhere. All done using free tools. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this, and comment if you want a part 2. And here's the final result.